Alright, so next, let's make the top part. What about this one? We can just create a cuboid. Give 50, then give it a height of 50. Then pull it up. Give it a transparent material. Press F sign. F4. Good. Convert to variable edit polygon. And then we adjust these vertices. Select all vertices. Zoom. Zoom again. And then there's a side in the middle. Select the following vertices. Scale it to equal proportions. I'm scaling it to equal proportions here. Make it a little wider on top. Rescale the middle vertex. Almost. And then pick the side and cut the corners. Pull it all the way up. And then give it a few more segments. Just give 2 or 3 sections. Press Ctrl加 backspace. Remove the overlapping edges. I'm going to delete the top side. I'm not going to do this hole down here. I can't see the renderings anyway. Then we give it a thickness shell command. The inner shell is 3. Either 3 or 2 will do. Convert to editable polygon. Choose this side. And then you pick the side and you cut the corners. Add this. Then give a turbo smooth. You can get a good result. And here we add a card edge. Let's add a side line underneath. Okay, there's a slight problem in here. Go back. Select this edge ring selection. Even a side line. Good, it won't be touched on the inside. It didn't affect the inside. And smooth the pulley. That should be no problem. And the norm smooth. Double effect. 2 iterations are better. It's a little wider at the top. In top view, select these vertices and scale it a little bit. Look at this ratio. The ratio seems a little high. Select all vertices in that FFDR. Selective control point. Select the top vertex and pull it down. Convert to editable polygon. Select this edge to set the stream. And then to the top one. The same is true for the one above. Just create a new box. Pull up. Convert to editable polygon. Select the top vertex and pull it up. Let's scale it a little bit more. Give it a transparent material. And then pull it over here. Make a comparison. That should be enough. And then choose the side with a line in the middle. Zoom. And then cut the corners. Pull to the top. With a few edges. Press Ctrl加 backspace to remove it. Delete the top side. And then the top one has a thicker border. Select this boundary, press Shift and drag it up. Give it a little bit of thickness. Such a thickness. And then it has a little corner. Let's give it a thickness first. Add a show command. The inner thickness is set to 4. Give it a little bit thicker. Then convert to editable polygons. And then choose the side. Ring selection. Plus the inside side. Let's look at the original. There's an edge here like this. So this is going to bulge out a little bit. We don't have the scale right yet. Select all vertices. Zoom it in the top view. Slightly larger than the bottom. Then select these edges. Ring selection, cut corners for it, including down here. Just pick these edges, and then cut the corners. The cut angle is slightly larger. Cut corners with triangles. There's an edge about this big. And then choose the side. With this side, we add FFDR 乘2. Select the control point here. Zoom. Wrong is to select the vertex below. Select the following vertices. Zoom a little bit. Then select the top vertex. Select the top vertex. Scale like this, so it becomes an effect of smaller below and larger above. Okay, and then to this. This side and this side. Add FFDR to it. Select the control point above. Subtract the bottom one. Zoom. Then select the control point below. Let's scale it again like this. I don't think I have too many choices. Have a look. Maybe a little too much. It doesn't matter. Convert to editable polygon. This side is correct. Give it some symmetry. And give it a Y symmetry. This creates an effect of smaller on the bottom and larger on the top. Okay. Select the side below. Let's insert it. And then choose this side and this side and this side and this side. And cut a little corner out of it. Give it about 1.5. Let's leave it at that. This gives it a more pronounced hard edge. Select the vertex here. Right-click it and collapse it. Same thing with the vertices here. Okay. Choose the inside side. Select this edge in a loop. Add a clip and pull it under. Here the ring selects to add a card edge. Then select the sidebar to set the stream. And then pull out a little bit of the local normal. And then we go to the side. Cut corners on it too. I'm gonna angle this one and this one. Two iterations will work better. So this lampshade is ready.